Oh yeah! What's in the box? Come on, Mix. Come on. Let's check it out. Where is my knife in the pocket? Carbon fiber trunk spoiler. Beautiful. Gotta keep it even.
I can't go with the camera.
All right, let's go put this baby on. Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to install our new carbon fiber wing or lip. Just like that. All right, I'm super excited for this install. First thing we gotta do, clean it with some isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol. Make sure that the glue is going to stick. Always like to spray the rag. That way I know what's going onto the surface. All right, nice and clean. Then we want to do a test fit. Make sure we know where it's going to sit exactly before we take off the adhesive backing. Now if I slide it on like this, at least for this car, it kind of locks in right here, so it's there's no gap whatsoever. I want to make sure my spacing is exactly the same on both sides. Perfect. And then we get some tape. And I'm just going to mask out exactly where it needs to line up. kids say today, epic. Thank you for watching today's video. It has pretty much come to an end, sadly. Please hit that like button. Also consider subscribing to keep up with all the updates. We'll talk to you later.